What I love about uLab is some of the unique offerings they have. Custom branding, they offer a Reva plastic, uDesign AI-assisted treatment planning software, uAssist, which is a concierge service that helps with case setups, and made in the USA. My favorite part is the custom branding. This was a total game changer for our office. This brand equity remains, aligner packaging becomes a marketing asset, and enforces professionalism, exclusivity, and trust. Reva, amazing plastic, ultra thin material, 17% thinner than many other aligners that are out there. Because it's so thin, typically we offer fewer and smaller attachments, and in some cases no attachments at all. Predictable treatment with fewer refinements, and it resists staining and keeps a higher aesthetic finish.